So let us learn a program on sum of the digits of a given number. So in this session, let us learn a program using C language where we calculate sum of the digits of a given number. So this is an algorithm for calculating a sum of the digits where we read the number from the console and we declare the variables and we initialize the variables like remainder, sum, and etc. Then we repeat the following two steps where we extract the digit using modulus operator and we'll add it to the sum, and we remove the digit using arithmetic operator slash, which is the divide operator. So we repeat the steps until the number is 0, then we will print the number on the console. We can also count the number of digits in between if you are required. So let us go through the flow chart where it will show the more clarity of flow, where what are the steps required to be performed. So exactly what we have trying to do in the flow chart, let us do it in a program. Before that, let us have an example. What is an input of the program and what is an output of the program? So if at all the input is 74629, the number where we take the right to left digits extracted one by one. First we extract 9, 2, 6, 4, 7. We'll add it to the sum where the sum is 28. So the input is number and the output is sum. Let us have one more example where we are accepting 54321. We are extracting the numbers similarly and we are adding to the sum. So this is about the example, two examples where what is our input and what is the output we have shown. Now let us type the program in the console programming editor. Okay, so let us have a program here. Okay, so we will write a program to calculate sum of the digits. So as usual, we will start with hash include stdio.h. Then we write int main. And this is about the program. Now let us declare some important variables. So into number we have accepted, and we need a temporary variable. We need a reminder. We need a sum. We need all these temporary variables. And then first we accept the number. So enter a positive number. Enter a positive number. Okay, and we accept using scanf. We know already the printf and scanf are the formatted IO. Okay, so where we will accept the number. Okay, so we have accepted the number. Now initialize the variables. So sum is equals to 0. So we take a temporary variable and we'll store it a number so that at the end of the program, when you are printing what number you have accepted. Are we clear? So let us while temp greater than 0 or temp not equal to 0, both are okay. Then first step, important step is what? Extract the digit. So how you will extract the digit? Temp mod 10. So this will extract the digit and we will store it in a temporary variable. So this is what? Extract rightmost digit. Extract the rightmost digit. Then we add it to the sum because we want to calculate sum of the digits. So first extract the digit and add it to the sum. Okay. So add to the sum variable. Then the next we remove the digit so that we can extract the next digit. So temp is equal to temp by 10. So remove the rightmost digit from number. Are we clear? So we repeat these steps until the number becomes 0. Once you come out of the program, we can printf sum of the digits is equal to %d, which is sum can be printed. If you want to print the number also for which you want calculated the sum of the digits, you can print okay. So number first we are printing and then we are printing sum. So num is equal to %d. So num and sum both are printed. Are we clear? So let us see the output here. So if you see the output, we enter a positive number where we are entering 48,532. Okay, and the number is 48,532, and the sum of the digits is 22. Are we clear? So it is not a minus here, it is only show you the what is happening. Are we clear? If at all, if you want to see the output step by step, you can print one printf statement, printf, where we want to print the number as well as the sum. Both can be, so that we want to scan what is happening. So using this digit, you can scan. But we are using a temporary variable rather than number. Let's take temp. And if at all you want to see one by one, okay, you can. And let us see the output here. Let us see the output. So once you enter 64,824. Now please see here. First, initially the number is what? 64,824 and the sum is 0. So extract the first digit 4 and add it to the sum. Okay, now extract the second digit 2 and add it to the sum. Then sum will become 6. Now extract the next digit, which is 8 plus 6, 14. Where next extract the digit 6 and add it to sum, then 18. And finally extract the next number also and print. Are we clear? So where the total number is what? And the sum of the digits is 24. Are we clear, everybody? So this is about the sum of the digits of a given number. Assume that we want to count the number of digits also. We can add one more variable called as digit count. So digit count initially is what? Digit count is equal to 0. And throughout the operation, if you want to count the number of digits, so you can say what? Digit count. So which is nothing but digit count plus. Okay, so this is the output which you are getting. This is only to show the output, people. We only to scan. Okay, so this is counting the number of digits. Counting number of digits. Are we clear? So let us see the scanning once again, so that we want to see place this printf at the end. Let us see what is happening. Are we clear? So first we have entered the number, then let us see. So let us compile the program and let us run the program here. So once we enter a number, 95,437. It's a big number we have entered. Okay. Now the number is what? 95,437. So in the first step, we take first digit and add it to the sum. In the second step, we are adding 4. Sorry, 3. Next 4. Next 5. Next 9. Totally. Now once the number is 0, then we'll come out and we'll print the number, and sum of the digits is 20. So if you want to print the digit count also, you can print here. Okay. So initially, number of digits. Number of digits you want to print. Digit count. So you want to print the number of digits also, can be printed here. Sum of the digits and number of the digits. So you can take one more variable if you want, or else same variable also you can use. Printf number of digits in percentage D is what? Comma num comma digit count. Are we clear? So we have compiled the program. Let us run the program once again, where we get a, here we are calculating not only sum of the digits, we are also able to count the number of digits. So let us enter a big number here, 76185. Okay, now let us take the numbers one by one. And so first 5 number is added. Okay, and the number of digits. Okay, so as the number of digits are decreased, automatically it will increase. So here the number of digits need some percentage D, so that it will get a clear picture. Are we clear? So slowly the number of digits will decrease, and so 95,746 too. Let us take a big number, where initially the digit count and sum both are happening simultaneously. Okay, so one digit is cutting from the number and add it to the sum. Second digit is cutting from the number and add it to the sum. Third digit is digited. Fourth is done. Fifth is done. Then finally the number. So the number of the digits in given number. Okay, so the sum of the digits and the number of digits both are can be printed. Are we clear, everybody? So here num is equal to so and sum is equal to so and so. R percentage T. So make sure that you had exact percentage output variables and number of percentage T's. So 40,780. Add it to the sum. Okay, take a number, add it to the sum, and simultaneously digit count is also increased. Okay, and finally, last step, and the digit count is 6, where all the number is completed and sum is 36. So the number is 457893. The sum of the digits is 36, and the number of digits in this big number are 6. So in this small program, we are able to calculate sum of the digits of a given number as well as counting the number of digits. So these two variables are only, what we have done is these two variables are only to show the output of the program in more clarity. Okay, so this is about the sum of digits of a given number. Okay, so thank you so much, people. Please like and share these programs to all the people who require and need. So it is always advised to type a program live and compile and run rather than copying and pasting. So thank you so much, people. This is Ranjit. Let us see in the next programming session. Thank you so much. Have a good day.